per month, and other may be earning just 600 per month. And suppose I am a travel agent, and this is a reading society, and when I do the marketing, I need to focus on the one on age, sex, gender, income, and fourth may be age, income, yeah, and so social status, social status, social status. I am a travel agent, and I am doing.
If you think about psychology, that is attitude also, yeah. That can be.
I am travel agent, and I am making the package. Suppose the package can include the old people going to the some religious place, like maybe you everyone have gone to Wembley. There is one temple for Hindus people. Have do anybody go there? Wembley?
Yes, I have been there.
There is one beautiful temple of Hindu temple, or
Hare Krishna temple.
Gurudwara, yeah? For old people, or it may be the for old people also. There might be the for old ladies and old men, yeah. And next thing is segmentation can be done according to the income. Suppose there is a group of people who have high income. Suppose they can go to Europe. I can introduce the tour package to Europe, traveling to Spain, France, or USA, yeah? Or I can focus on the people who have the less income, like suppose like us, middle level people who want to go to London Bridge, yeah? Or London Tower and take the photograph, like Vishal did last time, yeah?
Or Windsor Castle, huh?
Yeah, Windsor Castle. Likewise, the market segmentation can be done differently on according to social status. So social status means, suppose in this society there is politician,
businessman,
actor, businessman, teacher, yeah, and we can do the market segmentation according to the needs. Suppose the politician need, what politician need? They need the privacy, yeah, private life. They need to maintain that private life. Although
So their needs and demands can be different,
Yeah.
vary from other professionals,
likewise,
other people.
we are talking about the actor like Govinda. You want the publicity.
Yes.
You want to go everywhere and make drama, and you want to bring the fan. Yeah?
Yeah.
Likewise, the businessman. Like Arab sir, if you do somewhere, you do the something like good thing. You can speak the good thing of college, or do
Yeah.
something like.
Or you spend more money than other people, isn't it? Yeah.
Like the businessman have the ability to spend more money than the general people. In this way, the society form and travel agent can do the market segments.
Yes, so basically that is the importance of the market segmentation. Yeah. So without market segmentation, it is difficult for the businesses to do the competitive advantage. Yes, to get the competitive advantage, isn't it? So that's why in different ways they have to separate the customers in different segments.
Sir, I can explain you why market segmentation is important. Because when making the package, if the package for old age people mixed with the young age people, that may come out.
So there should be they should be specifically targeted, specifically dealt with. That's the reason.
Yeah. When making this segmentation, suppose old people go for a voyage or long tour, and the same his son or daughter may go to the disco or cinema or.
Good, very good. So at the same time, I can remember one thing, what we have already gone through several times. If you can't, what is that saying? If you can't measure, you can't manage.
Yes, sir.
Yes. can't measure, you can't manage. So this segmentation is for the measurement. Yes, measurement of different capacity, different strength of the customers. You separate them, you measure their strength, their needs, then you can manage your business. Okay? So that is that probably you can add here. If you can't measure, you can't manage. To measure the capacity of the customers, we need to segment them so that businesses can get the competitive advantage or profitability. Thank you so much. Well done, Milan and Govinda's group. Yeah? Thank you very much. You can clap. Yeah? Okay, well